Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Playa Paraíso. We're going to be in a complex called Club Parai, which is one of the towers that you see as you're coming down into Playa Paraíso. But we've got a direct view of La Gomera. So we're going to be looking at a one-bedroom apartment. Let's have a look around. And this is what we get to see as soon as we're in the apartment, the kitchen. So as I say, it's all original, but still in really, really nice condition. Bedroom, which again is massive. In fact, you can make these, some people made these into two bedrooms, the bathroom here as well. So Jack and Jill hand basins and a bath with a shower. We've got the loo. So we've got a fabulous terrace. We're on very, very high floor here. Anyone that knows me knows that I'm not that brilliant on heights. La Gomera. And as I say, good sized terrace as well. Proper usable terrace. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com.